Hey guys, I just want to come on here and give you your tutorial that you've been asking for. I just got the Dyson Corrale in. I'm so excited and let you know what I think. But first of all, look at this packaging. Like, look at how nice this is. You can lay it on here if it's on, and it's just like luxury. You know, with Dyson, you do get that luxury feel. And it's cool because it has the airplane mode, which is really cool. So you can use it. And then right here, it unlocks and locks it right here. And then right here, you can turn it on, and then degrees. I know it goes to, I think it's like 330, 365, and 410. This is cordless, so you can use it for about 30 minutes and then it will die. But oh my gosh, this is perfect for the salon because I already have so many things that have cords. This is like a game changer. I'm so excited to try it out with you guys. And I will show you everything that's in here. So it just shows you how to use it. It's the Corrale, if I didn't say it, the Dyson Corrale. And I'll show you everything that comes in it. You can bring this on the plane. It just tells you before you leave, pull out the flight ready tag, which is this, to disconnect the battery. So you can bring this on the plane, which is really cool. And it just shows you how. It's just like little instructions right there. And then it's got the honky charger, which is really cool. So I'm gonna turn mine on and see if it charges. It also comes with a charger. Just to give you guys a little bit of information about this, which it comes with the charger, which is nice because it's magnetic, which is really convenient for me. And it comes with the little charging portable one where you can just lay it on here. I'll show you exactly how. You just lay it on here, just like that. Isn't that cool? It's very chic. So that's what it comes with, and this charger. So I can just lay it on here, and what makes it amazing. So it's got flexible plates. So what makes it different is it's got flexible plates for half the damage. So by gathering hair, flexing plates enable shiny, straight results with less heat for 50% less breakage, less frizz, and fewer flyaways. It has integrated sensor systems regulated in the temperature of the plates 100 times per second, ensures constant power so heat never exceeds what you've chosen for the heat. And then it's cord free, which is amazing. So those are some actual information about it. And then it goes to, and the nice thing is it will, if you don't use it, it will just turn off by itself, which is amazing. So if you forget to turn it off or anything like that, it will automatically turn off by itself. So that's just a little information about that. And I showed you everything it comes with. So now we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna take out my hair off, and then we will do it in sections. I wear extensions. I have 2 rows of NBR. So now I have 22. So my hair is pretty long, and I always like to put an oil in before I do this. So I'm just gonna section off my hair, and I think, or I believe it turns on, like once you turn it on, it gets hot really fast, which is nice. So we're gonna test that out right now. I'm going to turn it on right here. I'm just gonna press on. And then you can change the heat. I think I'm gonna do 365, which is the middle heat. I don't know if you can see it, but right there. Beep once it's hot. So I'm just gonna go in and brush my hair. Favorite brush, the bath pack brush. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And I'm just gonna brush my hair. That literally took like 30 seconds for it to warm up, which is really cool. So you don't have to like wait minutes. It heats up fast. So we're gonna take it. I'm so excited to use this, you guys. And I like to use a comb. And I'm just going to bring it down. The nice thing I like about it is that if you see those grooves, your hair's not getting stuck in it, which I have really been getting it straight. So, so far, so good. This is so cool. I love it. So far, so good. I'm just gonna get this and brush it through now. Right here is my problem area where I get a lot of like waviness. Okay. And I only have it on 365, so it's your hair. The cool thing is your hair doesn't feel hot. You know, when you use like different flat irons, it's like you don't want to touch it. That's why I was using a comb. You technically don't even need a comb because it doesn't, your hair's not hot, which is really nice. But it straightens it so good. I do feel like it makes your hair shiny. And you know how like other flat irons kind of like, you kind of get dents in your hair because it kind of pulls it? This doesn't. That's the nice thing about it. And I don't know if you can tell, but look at how straight my hair is. I'll get close. I'll get close up. You don't really have to run it through your hair too much, which is nice. So I'm just going down. There we go. I'm just going down. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going back and forth. I'm just taking bigger sections because I can. It doesn't get stuck in my hair, which I love. Okay, so that was just a couple. And look at how straight it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. My hair feels so soft and shiny. And then I'm gonna go do the rest of it. See what it does, because that's the craziness of my hair. I'm actually really liking this so far. I do have the Dyson blow dryer and I ordered the air wrap, so I should be getting that. If you guys don't know, I am a hairstylist, so I have 2 Dyson dryers, one for me, one for my assistant, and we love them. I was excited to get this and try it out, and then I'm gonna go in with my comb. That's just how I like to flat iron hair, and I'm just gonna bring it down. The nice thing is, if you stop using it, it'll automatically start to cool down. I don't know if you can see, I'll kind of get close so you can see, but it's just going there. Okay. If you guys can see, my hair is kind of wavy right there, so let's test it out. It's beeping at me because I think I need to plug it in because it's not fully charged. I didn't want to wait. It does take 70 minutes to fully charge, and it'll keep the charge for 30 minutes, which is easy for me because I can totally flat iron someone's hair in 30 minutes. So I'm excited to see. Let's see if it can really get it straight. Wow. It did work good. Okay, some pieces that are still a little wavy. I'll try to get close so you guys can see. And as I'm pulling down, look at how nice it is. I'm not pulling hard, I'm just letting it glide. So look at how straight. Okay, I'm gonna go back in over here because this is like my wavy side there, and bring it down. If you guys like this tutorial, let me know and I can do how to curl your hair with that, because I know you can curl your hair with this flat iron. I'm gonna go in right here close to my face so you can see how straight it gets it. Look at that. That's pretty good because my hair is so thick. I think I need to charge it. It's yelling at me because I probably need to charge it. So let me plug the cord in real quick and then I'll come back so you can see what it looks like. I have it charging now. So you can see, I don't know if you can see really well, but let's see. Look at that. Oh, look at this piece. Let's take this to the test. Let's brush it out and see how flat it gets it. I'm getting in there a little bit more. It just glides. It's so nice. It literally, there we go. Okay, let's test the top and see how this works. Okay, so let's get really close and see. I don't know if you can see good, but I'm hoping you can. Look at how smooth that looks. And remember, I only have it on like 365, so I don't have it on that high of heat. So I bet if I did like 410, I would literally, it would do it so fast. Oh, you know what is another cool thing that I wanted to mention that it has? So when you're flat ironing a section, you can do bigger sections because of the little grooves that are in it. So I'm gonna show you. You can go like this and you can grab this part. It's not hot, which is nice, just to bring it down and kind of guide it. So that is really cool. I like that because usually flat irons are hot all the way around. And like I said, when you touch your hair, it's not like burning hot. So that makes it so nice. Okay, let me get right here. Get in pretty straight. And then I'll show you guys what the after is. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you like it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It sounds like it's like pulling it, but it's really not. It's just getting it in between those little grooves, those little ridges that are right there, so it doesn't pull your hair. So I'm like a one that I don't need to, but look at that, wow. You guys, I think I'm obsessed. It's so nice. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do one more pass in the back. I'll kind of show you guys. This is my real hair. Just to get it really flat. Just hold it like that. There. Okay. I'm gonna pull my hair forward so you guys can see the finished product. But oh my gosh, what do you guys think? I'm like, oh, because I can tell if I have it down for a little too long, it'll stop. It'll start cooling down. Okay. Okay, so what do you guys think? Like, oh, I'm like, look at how straight it is. Ooh, I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Okay, so my overall opinions on it is I'm obsessed because it makes my life easier. I don't have to walk around with a cord. I can get in there really good and get it smooth. For anybody, any hair type, I feel like this would be amazing. It's gonna work so good on so many hair types. Yeah, I'm loving it. It works. It is a little heavy, but I have the Dyson blow dryer and I use that literally all day, so it's not that bad for me. But for someone that is using this at home, it might be a little heavy, but if you have the Dyson blow dryer, I think you'll be fine. I don't think it'll be that bad. So all you gotta do to turn it off is just push the button and it turns off, and it tells you how much battery you have. And then just to close it, you just push this down, it locks. So yeah, overall, I really do love it. Air wrap tutorial or curl my hair with this, let me know and comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm so happy that you guys stopped by my video. It means a lot to me, so comment down below what you want to see next, and thank you for stopping by again. Bye.